Hello YouTube, welcome to another quick video. I was looking over at my ROXOR and I noticed there were some markings on almost every part that built my ROXOR. That's on my ROXOR. So this is a 2019. I'm just showing you, for example, here in the wheel well, if you look, you see the sticker there with the blue marker, and that's a 2019 Mahindra ROXOR. And if you go, that's inside where you have the pedals. You have another sticker there with a date. Steering column has one, two. You see another one there with a 10.0, and it's everywhere in the car. That's on the tank in the back. You can see it's marked VD. The fuel cap is marked. That's the frame. And you can see there on the transfer case, you also have markings. You come to the front, on the passenger side, you go underneath on the leaf spring, you have a green sticker, and that's underneath, just showing you the axles. We keep looking in there, you have some markings, a little sticker. Go back to the transfer case, you can see there you have the coolant reservoir, which you can see it's marked. The electrical connectors to the sensors. Everywhere you look, on the alternator, everything seems to be marked. The headlight. So I was wondering what exactly was going on here. Some people like it, some people don't. For me, I think it's a very good thing because it shows that whatever part went on my ROXOR was individually evaluated and judged fit for use on a ROXOR, on a vehicle that will be sold in the United States. Now, I don't know if this is done in Auburn Hills here in the United States, in Michigan, or in India, but it does show that, you know, somebody actually took their time and inspected all those fittings. You can see the thermostat housing, so somebody marked it green, probably to show that everything is in place and torqued correctly. And what you will notice is that with the ROXOR, there have been very few complaints of people, you know, having stuff fail on their ROXOR and requiring remediation by Mahindra Automotive North America. For all the ROXORs that most of the ROXORs that I've seen or heard about, the owners have been very satisfied so far, and they've been doing crazy modifications, and up to until now, I don't think there's been any major issues. So that would possibly testify to the fact that someone actually goes and checks, that's the radiator cap, you know, checks every single bolt, checks every single fitting, and makes sure that everything is in place the way it should be, secured correctly, and verifies that, which is a very good thing. Some people are disturbed because they see those markings. Now, you also have to bear in mind that the ROXOR is hand built. Other cars that are hand built, they cost way more, like the Lamborghini Veneno. I know it's a different class of vehicle. It's 3.9 million. The Bugatti Veyron, 2.4 million. And the list just goes on. Aston Martin 177, it's sold for $1.5 million. So I will gladly take my ROXOR with a few markings, knowing that it shows that somebody took their time to verify that my ROXOR was well built. Let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.